Okay, class.
Yes, yes.
Are you ready for math groups?
Yes, yes.
All right, let's read our expectations. When I point, you read. Ready? Go.
Stay on task. Wait for the teacher prompt. Actively participate. Give it your best shot.
Good job. All right, let's warm up. We're going to count by hundreds to 900. When I clap, we're going to count. Ready?
100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900.
Good job. Now we're going to count by tens to 90. You ready? Let's count.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90.
Good job. All right. This time we're going to listen. I want you to listen to the number 723. Do you hear the hundreds number in 723?
Yes.
What hundreds number do you hear?
700.
700. Good job. Let's listen again. 723. Do you hear the tens number?
Yes.
What tens number do you hear?
20.
20. Good job. Listen one more time. 723. Do you hear the ones number?
Yes.
What ones number do you hear?
3.
Good job. 723 equals 700 plus 20 plus 3. Say it with me. 700 plus 20 plus 3. Let's try it again with another number. Ready? Listen to the number 548. All right, great job on that warm-up, you guys. Let's move on. We're going to practice one-digit factor times two-digit factors with renaming. Let's read the problem.
8 times 73.
Good. 8 times 73. To work this problem, we must first multiply 8 times 3. What do we do first?
Multiply 8 times 3.
Excellent. The next step is we have to multiply 8 times 7 tens. What do we do next?
Multiply 8 times 7 tens.
Great job. Let's go back to step 1. What is 8 times 3?
24.
24, that's right. I can't fit 24 in the ones column, so I must rename. I'm going to put a 2 above the tens column and write a plus sign to remind us that we have to add those 2 tens. 24 has 2 tens. How many ones does 24 have?
4 ones.
4 ones. So I'm going to write a 4 under the ones column. All right. Now we have to multiply the tens. What is 8 times 7 tens?
56.
56, that's right, but we have to add the 2. What is 56 plus 2?
58.
58 tens. 58 tens is the same as saying 508 tens. So I'm going to write 508. What is 8 times 73?
584.
Excellent. Let's move on to another example. All right, read the problem.
3 times 19.
Excellent. To work this problem, we first have to multiply 3 times 9. What do we do first?
Multiply 3 times 9.
Excellent. Then we're going to multiply the tens. 3 times 1 tens. What do we do next?
3 times 1 10.
So
3 times 10.
Let's go back. So first, we need to multiply the ones. 3 times 9. What do we do first?
Multiply 3 times 9.
Yes. Then we're going to multiply the tens. 3 times 1 tens. What do we do next?
Multiply 3 times 1 10.
Excellent. Yes. So let's go back to step 1. What is 3 times 9?
27.
That's right. I can't fit 27 in the ones column, so I must rename. Again, I'm going to write a 2 above the tens column and a plus sign to remind us that we have to add those 2 tens. How many tens are in 20? Oh, I'm sorry. 27 has 2 tens. How many ones are in 27?
7.
7, that's right. I write a 7 under the ones column. Now, what is 3 times 1 10?
30. 3 tens.
3
30.
tens. 3 times 1 10 is 3 tens.
3 tens.
Yes. And then we have to add the 2. What is 3 plus 2?
5.
5. So we have 5 tens. So I'm going to put 5 tens in the tens column. What is 3 times 19?
57.
57. Excellent. Everybody have their worksheets?
Yes.
And your pencils ready?
Yes.
All right, read problem A.
2 times 75.
That's right. And what numbers do we multiply first?
2 times 5.
2 times 5. What is 2 times 5?
10.
10. And how many tens are in 10?
110.
110. So I write plus 1 over the tens column. And how many ones are in 10?
None.
None. So I write a 0 under the ones column. What do we do now?
2 multiply 2 times 7.
That's right. What is 2 times 7?
14.
And then what do we do?
Add the 1.
Add the 1. What is 14 plus 1?
15.
15. So write 15 next to the 0. What is 2 times 75?
150.
That's right. All right, let's move on. All right, let's read problem B.
9 times 82.
Great. And what numbers do we multiply first?
9 times 2.
9 times 2. What is 9 times 2?
18.
18. And how many tens are in 18?
1.
Right,
110.
110. So I put plus 1 over the tens column. And how many ones are in 18?
8.
8. So I'm going to put an 8 under the ones column. What numbers do I multiply next?
9 times 8.
9 times 8. Excellent. What is 9 times 8?
72.
72. And then what do I do?
Add the 1.
Add the 1. What is 72 plus 1?
73.
Excellent. So I'm going to write 73 next to the 8. What is 9 times 82?
738.
738. Good job. All right. Moving on. Problem C. Didn't write down. All right. Read problem C.
9 times 19.
19. What numbers do we multiply first?
9 times 9.
That's right. We multiply 9 times 9. What is 9 times 9?
81.
81. And I can't fit 81. So how many tens are in 81?
8.
8. So I'm going to write plus 8 above the tens column. And how many ones are in 81?
1.
1. So I put 1 under the ones column. What numbers do we multiply next?
9 times 1.
9 times 1. What is 9 times 1?
9.
And then what do I have to do?
Add 8.
What is 9 plus 8?
17.
17. So I write 17 next to my 1. What is 9 times 19?
171.
Excellent. Okay, class.
Yes, yes.
Does everybody have worksheet C2?
Yes.
Pencils ready?
Yes.
All right, read problem A for me.
6 times 58.
And what kind of problem is this?
Multiplication.
That's right. So what do we do first?
6 times 8.
Multiply 6 times 8. What do we do first?
Multiply 6 times
Yes,
8.
don't forget that we're multiplying. That's very important. What is 6 times 8?
48.
48. Rename the tens in 48 and write the ones. What numbers do we multiply next?
6 times 5.
Then what do we do?
Add 4.
All right, work the rest of the problem. Pencils down when you're ready. All right, pencils down. What is 6 times 58?
348.
That's right. Problem B. What? Read the problem.
2 times 96.
And what type of problem is this?
Multiplication.
That's right. So what do we do first?
We multiply 2 times 6.
That's right. All right. What is 2 times 6?
12.
All right. Rename the tens and add the ones and write the ones. All right. What numbers do we multiply next?
2 times 9.
2 times 9. Then what do we do?
Add 1.
Okay. Work the rest of the problem. Pencils down when you finish. All right. Everybody pencils down. Are you ready? What is 2 times 96?
192.
Great job.